Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle and I'm Elvis last year on YouTube, and today we have a subscriber request for Paul. Paul, thanks so much for subscribing and for requesting, and sorry it's taken so long to get up to you. This is Early Morning Rain and it's from this album right here, Elvis Now, and it is by Gordon Lightfoot, which I love that name, Gordon Lightfoot, and it was recorded March 15th, 1971, and we have it from Aloha. So everything in Aloha gets, well, they did like segments to put in amongst Aloha. You will know, you're an Elvis fan, you know this. So here we go. Hopefully it won't be blocked.
In the early morning rain, with a dollar in my hand and an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long ways from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, big 707 set to go. But I'm out here on the grass, where the pavement never grows, where the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. There she goes, my friend, she's rolling out at last. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver wing on high. She's winging westward bound, far above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours time. This old airport's got me down, it's no earth but good to me, 'cause I'm out here on the grass, cold and drunk as I might be. Can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I best be on my way in the early morning rain.
How blessed are we to have that version right there with Elvis singing it like that? How blessed are we? We're the most blessed fans in the history of the world to have that. I just love it. It gets me emotional. He looks so divine. Oh, he looks beautiful there. And he just sounds beautiful and just everything's great about it. And I just love every single aspect of it. That song is beautiful. It's just like a little, oh, it's a little, just gets you chilled, doesn't it? Chills you out, right out. I love it. So, yep, can't say any more about the song. Just love it. I think it's brilliant. I love the girls in the background. I just love, it's like they're far away, but they're there. It's a brilliant sound to your senses. I'm going to go downstairs. I can't pair my earphones with this laptop. Rick, help. How do I pair it? Because if I could pair my earphones, I could stick them on now and listen. And then I can hear where those girls are. So I'm going to go downstairs now and put on my earphones and listen to that. And just take it all in. Listen to where it's coming from. Yeah, one day I will be able to pair my earphones with this laptop, and then I'll be able to wear them when I'm listening. All right, take care of yourself. Have a fantastic day, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you on another. Bye, everyone.